Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use dark mode in Google Docs on Android. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing we're gonna do is open Google Docs. Then at the top left, top menu. Then tap settings. Then tap choose theme. As you can see, I'm on the light theme. So to change it, just press the dark. So now, it's already on dark mode. To preview a document or sheet in light theme, dark theme automatically adjusts your documents and sheet to fit the theme and improve viewing. You can preview how a document or sheet will look in light theme for collaborators. So, let's open a document or sheet. Then, at the top right corner of the screen, tap the three dots. Then, tap View in Light Theme. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!